Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to go over what I carry on duty for my holster setup. I carry the Safariland triple threat holster with the Streamlight attachment and red dot. This holster has been one of my favorite holsters I've ever carried while working in law enforcement, which has been about a 15-year career. I love that this holster has the triple threat. It's all made out of hard plastic type material, and your item goes in and out very easily. I also want to talk about in this video my drop leg, which is not really a drop leg, it's more just a drop. It does have a leg strap, as you can see here, and it has a paddle where you can attach other items such as your tourniquet. What I love about this is I always was very uncomfortable pulling from a normal position of way up here and coming up and going out. I find that with that 3 to 4 inch drop with this holster and drop leg setup, that it's much easier to rock forward, come out, and come on target. What I like about this holster is that it has the dust shield here that flips forward when you extract your item, which covers the red dot. Then it has your triple threat ability here and here to pull out and come on target. I've been using this holster that I bought myself for about 3 or 4 years now and absolutely love it. Pick up one for yourself down in the description below.